In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Diamante key fob. This key fob was used on Diamantes between 2000 and 2004, and inside it we will find one CR2032 battery. To open this thing up, you will need a small Phillips head screwdriver like the one I have right here, and of course one of these batteries. If you don't have a small enough screwdriver to access this little screw right here, I would recommend checking out the link in the description, or you can pick up this little set that I have here of precision screwdrivers. It's just a couple bucks on Amazon. And then also in the description, you will find a link that will take you over to an Amazon listing of this CR2032 battery. So getting right into this, just flip it over and find this one small screw that we need to take out. And you're just going to twist it right out of there and keep it safe while we do the rest of this procedure. So just dump that out of there, and now this will open up pretty easily. You can just try to get in there with your fingernails, or just come over to where the key ring attaches right there, where you can get some leverage on it. And if your key ring kind of falls out, it's going to be hooked on this little post right there. Don't worry about that. We'll put that back in at the end. Now coming over to the battery, you can just use your screwdriver or any other tool to just help pry the battery out. So you can see I'm coming in this corner where there's a little space for me, and I'm just prying the battery out gently. And once you get your battery out, you can of course dispose of your old battery and grab your new CR2032. And all you need to do is snap it into place right here with the positive side that has the text on it facing down. So just push that in there, make sure it is sitting down in there nicely. And all we need to do now is put this back together. So if you have your key ring or keychain, anything attached to it, you want to just set that on the post right now, and then set the battery side on top of that. And then you can just squeeze it all back together and finally put the screw back in there. So just twist that in, make sure everything is nice and secure, and just like that, you have a new battery in your device and you are good to go. So I hope that video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.